Did you know that studies show people tend to feel an instant connection with someone when they share similar body language? It's like a secret handshake that happens without words. Forming connections with others is a vital part of our lives, influencing both our personal and professional relationships. Think about it. When you meet someone new, don't you instantly feel drawn to some people and not others? What makes that happen? These instant connections can make or break our relationships, friendships, and even career opportunities. It's like having a superpower that can open doors and create lifelong bonds. But have you ever wondered what sparks this immediate connection? It's fascinating to think about how our brains process these connections in a split second. We'll explore all this and more in this video. Trying to connect with others quickly can be tough, especially in today's fast-paced world. We're often left wondering why some conversations flow effortlessly, while others feel forced. One major challenge is finding common ground, especially with people from different backgrounds. Imagine walking into a room full of strangers and trying to find someone to talk to. Then there's the pressure to make a good impression, which can lead to anxiety and awkwardness. We might come across as insincere or try too hard, which can be a major turnoff. Additionally, our differences in communication styles, personality, and values can create barriers. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. Cultural and language barriers can also make it difficult to connect with others. We might struggle to understand each other's perspectives or find it hard to communicate effectively. Despite these challenges, there are people who seem to effortlessly connect with others. What's their secret? Let's face it, sometimes we just click with someone, and it's hard to explain why. But there are certain factors at play that contribute to these instant connections. So, what are these magic ingredients that make us connect with others instantly? One key factor is body language. When we mirror someone's posture or facial expressions, it creates a sense of rapport. Shared interests and hobbies can also spark an instant connection. Imagine meeting someone who loves the same sports team or music as you. It's an instant conversation starter. Emotional intelligence plays a huge role as well. When we're able to empathize and understand others' emotions, it creates a deeper connection. Our tone, pitch, and pace of speech can also influence how we connect with others. A warm and friendly tone can make someone feel at ease. The way we dress and present ourselves can also make an impression. When we dress confidently and authentically, it shows. Even our surroundings and environment can contribute to instant connections. Think about meeting someone in a cozy coffee shop versus a loud nightclub. It's a different vibe, but there's one factor that stands out as a game changer: authenticity. When we're genuine and true to ourselves, it's infectious. Being authentic means embracing our quirks and imperfections, and that's what makes us unique. When we're able to be ourselves, we attract people who appreciate us for who we are. This is why being vulnerable and open can help create deeper connections. When we're willing to share our thoughts and feelings, it creates a sense of trust. So, what's the most significant factor that influences immediate connections? For me, it's authenticity. When we're genuine and true to ourselves, it creates a ripple effect. Authenticity matters because it allows us to build trust and rapport with others. When we're not trying to be someone we're not, it's refreshing. In a world where people often try to present a perfect image, being authentic is a breath of fresh air. It's what makes us relatable and human. By being authentic, we're able to connect with others on a deeper level. It's like having a key that unlocks meaningful relationships. To wrap it up, we've explored the importance of immediate connections and the challenges we face when trying to connect with others. We've also discussed the key factors that contribute to these instant connections. Understanding these factors can help us build stronger, more meaningful relationships. By being aware of our body language, shared interests, emotional intelligence, and authenticity, we can create a deeper connection with others. So, take a moment to reflect on your own experiences. What factors contribute to your instant connections with others? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in improving your social skills and building stronger relationships, check out our next video.